Hi friends, it's Mrs. Rust here. Got some fun candy science to do with you today. I know you probably have a few things laying around left over from Easter, so I thought, why don't we make something fun with it? Now, you may have seen this at school. We might have done this at school, but I'd love for you to try this at home. So let me lower the screen so you can see what I've got here. I have a bag of M&Ms, bag of Skittles, and I went ahead and I put them in a cup. So here's my Skittles in this cup and my M&Ms in this cup. Well, have you noticed this beautiful pattern? I've got two white plates, and what I've done is I have put the Skittles in a circle, and I tried to make sure they were touching each other. And then I've got another pattern that I did on a square plate. Well, all you need are the Skittles and a plate and some water. So let's see what happens. We're going to put just enough water to cover. What do you think is going to happen? Do you have a prediction? What do you think is going to happen here? I'll put water in the square plate too. What do you think? Make your prediction. And then let's just take a minute. So far, nothing's happening. Well, I do see a little bit of color starting. While we're waiting for something to happen with our Skittles experiment, I wanted to show you my cup of M&Ms. Have you ever noticed the little white M that's on there? Well, let's see if we can try to make the M float. I'm going to put some warm water on there. And I'm just going to set that down. And we'll let that sit for a while. Whoa, you see what's happening over here? I see some beautiful patterns starting. Wow, can you see what I see? I can tell. I'm going to move the screen a little bit closer. I can see already the yellow and the orange and the green are starting to make a pattern. Whoa, it looks like a pinwheel. What's happening over here? Wow, that's pretty amazing. Do you wonder why that happens? Well, Skittles are made mostly out of sugar and food coloring. That food coloring and that sugar really dissolves well in water, and it starts to spread out towards the middle of the container. And each color has its own rate of time that it takes for it to dissolve. And you can see that it's moving slowly, slowly. That's beautiful. Already we've got a nice pattern started here. See if anything's happening with our M&Ms. Nothing just yet. Oh, maybe so. I see something floated up. Looks like a piece of an M. Let me see if I can try to snag it with my finger. It's hard to see. Oh, there's a piece of an M. It almost looks like an N on this one. Can you see right there? The letters are made out of edible paper. I don't know if you can see that. See the little white floating letters? It's going to keep on floating. So if you wanted to, I guess you could eat it. Anyway, wonder if Skittles would do the same thing. Maybe you should try it. Wow. Wonder what other extensions you could do. Could you try a different shape? Could you try Skittles in the center? I don't know. I bet you'll come up with some great ideas. Thanks for joining me, friends. Have a great rest of the day. Sweet science.